Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. Microsoft Lumia 950 32GB dual SIM RM-1118 GSM factory unlocked, US warranty, black. As well as runs multiple apps simultaneously. Built to do great things, your digital life comes to life on the stunning 5.2-inch WQHD, 2560 x 1440 display, TrueColor, 24-bit /16 AMOLED, ClearBlack, 564 ppi. With USB-C fast charging and an extra large battery, you'll always have plenty of power no matter what. Magic happens in a flash. That's why the Lumia's 20MP camera has been engineered to virtually eliminate motion blur. Boasting unique features like rich capture and triple LED natural flash,